Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Current Affairs for You. So in this video we'll cover list of brand ambassadors 2020 because there might be a question in examinations about brand ambassadors. So let's begin today's video. So let's start with our Indian captain Virat Kohli. So he is the brand ambassador for BSF Border Security Force, important, and Fast Track, Adidas, Nike, and Flying Machine. So he is the brand ambassador for these. And let's move on to Amitabh Bachchan. So he is the brand ambassador for which state? Gujarat. So he is the brand ambassador for Gujarat tourism and also Pulse Polio campaign, ICICI Bank, awareness of hepatitis, GST goods and service tax. This is important and this is important and this is important. Swachh Bharat mission and city compost campaign. So Amitabh Bachchan sir, so he is the brand ambassador for a lot of things like Gujarat tourism, Pulse Polio campaign, ICICI Bank, and awareness of hepatitis, GST, Swachh Bharat mission, and city compost campaign. So remember. Next, Amir Khan. So nowadays we can see online for online classes, children may be using Vedantu and Byju's. So Byju's brand ambassador Shah Rukh Khan and Vedantu brand ambassador is Amir Khan and Dust in India and PhonePe. PhonePe, Dust in India and Vedantu. Amir Khan is the brand ambassador. Next, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. So she is also the brand ambassador for Pulse Polio campaign and iBank Association of India. So this is important. iBank Association of India, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is the brand ambassador. Next, Shah Rukh Khan, just now I told you here, he is the brand ambassador for which state? West Bengal, and also Nokia Videocon. And one more thing, he is the brand ambassador for Byju's. He is the brand ambassador for Byju's, which is an online education platform. Okay, so Vedantu and Byju's. Byju's, here it is Shah Rukh Khan. So he is the brand ambassador for West Bengal. For Gujarat, it is Amitabh Bachchan sir, and for Byju's it is Shah Rukh Khan. Next, so Mahendra Singh Dhoni, so he's been brand ambassador for a lot of things like Reliance Communication, Reliance Energy, Bharat Petroleum, and brand ambassador for Jharkhand Tourism. So he's a Jharkhand Dynamite. We can call him as Jharkhand Dynamite. So Kolkata Fashion Week. He is the brand ambassador for Kolkata Fashion Week and also for NDTV. So Bharat Petroleum brand ambassador for Jharkhand Tourism, Kolkata Fashion Week, and NDTV. Next, so Sachin Tendulkar, god of cricket, he is the brand ambassador for Skill India Mission, important Skill India Mission, and also he is the brand ambassador for ICC Cricket World Cup 2015, and also he is the goodwill ambassador for India Olympic Association IOA goodwill ambassador Sachin Tendulkar, and also NECC National Egg Coordination Committee, and also Kaspersky Internet Security, and also Women's World Cup 2017. So Sachin Tendulkar is the brand ambassador for Skill India Mission, ICC Cricket World Cup 2015, Indian Olympic Association Goodwill Ambassador, National Egg Coordination Committee, Kaspersky Internet Security, Women's World Cup 2017. Next, so important brand ambassadors Ajay Devagan, Arogya Setu app. So now due to this corona, we will know a lot of things about corona, how to take measures, preventive measures, and that will be in Arogya Setu app. And who is the brand ambassador for it? Ajay Devgan, the film actor. And Worldwide Fund India Environment, Vishwanathan Anand, so the Grand Master of Chess from India. So Vishwanathan Anand, he is the brand ambassador for Worldwide Fund. Next, PV Sindhu, the badminton star, BWF's I Am Badminton campaign. So she is the brand ambassador for BWF's I Am Badminton campaign. So Shefali she's a cricketer, Indian woman cricketer. She is the brand ambassador for PepsiCo. And Deepika Padukone is the brand ambassador for Bharat Ki Lakshmi. And Swami Ramdev, he is the brand ambassador for Yoga, brand ambassador for Haryana. So Ramdev, he is the brand ambassador of Haryana in yoga. Next, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan brand ambassador is Akshay Kumar. And Skill India brand ambassadors are Varun Dhawan and Anushka Sharma. So Sui Daga, they acted in a movie Sui Daga. So next, World Life Trust of India and also UNEP Goodwill Ambassador of India. So these two are Dia Mirza. So Dia Mirza is the brand ambassador for Wildlife Trust of India and also UNEP Goodwill Ambassador of India. So here UNEP stands for United Nations Environment Program. So the United Nations Environment Program Goodwill Ambassador of India is Dia Mirza and also for Wildlife Trust of India. Next, Make in India. Make in India. Piruj Kambatta. Piruj Kambatta is the Goodwill Ambassador, brand ambassador for Make in India. And Deepika Padukone is the brand ambassador for Indian Psychiatric Society. Indian Psychiatric Society. And Sakshi Malik, the wrestler, is the she is the brand ambassador for Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana. Sakshi Malik. This is important, and this is also important. Indian Psychiatric Society with Deepika Padukone. Next, Incredible India. Our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji is a brand ambassador for it, and Bharat Pay, it is Salman Khan, and CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force, and badminton star PV Sindhu. She is also brand ambassador for I Am Badminton campaign. Next, MA stands for Mother's Absolute Affection, a nationwide program to promote breastfeeding. Madhuri Dixit is the brand ambassador for it, for Ma. Brand ambassador of Telangana, Sania Mirza and Mahesh Babu. And also Children's Protection Fund for India is Katy Perry. Katy Perry is the brand ambassador for Children's Protection Fund for India. This is also important. Next, Bihar Khadi. Bihar Khadi. So the brand ambassador for Bihar Khadi is Pankaj Tripathi. He is an actor. Next, this is important. Gargo International. Sonu Sood is the brand ambassador for Gargo International. This is an industrial equipment supplier in Delhi. This is Gargo Industrial. Next, Gargo International. NADA. NADA stands for National Anti-Doping Agency. So the brand ambassador for National Anti-Doping Agency is Sunil Shetty. He is an actor. Next, UNICEF had appointed Ayushmann Khurrana as its brand ambassador for Children's Rights Campaign. So UNICEF appointed Ayushmann Khurrana. He is also an actor. So he is the brand ambassador for UNICEF for Children's Right Campaign. So here UNICEF stands for United Nations Children's Fund. So United Nations Children's Fund. Previously it was United Nations International Emergency Children Fund. Here E stands for emergency, but it was removed because whenever it is whenever it is emergency, then only the children will be taken care of. But now it is United Nations Children Fund. It means that whenever it may be an emergency, it may not be an emergency, but this will protect children's and also for its rights, for his rights. Next, Atulya Bharat. Narendra Modi ji is the brand ambassador for Atulya Bharat, and also WWF Worldwide Fund. Vishwanathan Anand, this is already completed. Dream 11. So recently IPL has been completed. So Mumbai Indians won it. So I will make a separate video of it. So who is the brand ambassador for Dream 11 and the title sponsor for Dream 11 for IPL is Dream 11. So he is MS Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So Goodwill ambassador for Poor by UNADAP. So UNADAP stands for United Nations Association for Development and Peace. So M Netra, she is just 13 years old. She is just 13 years old and she will be the brand ambassador for United Nations Association for Development and Peace, which stands for UNADAP. So these are all the brand ambassadors, important brand ambassadors. I hope you like this video. Thank you.